Hey everyone, I'm Pool. Welcome back. Have you ever felt nervous when speaking English in daily life? Maybe at a shop, with a friend, or even on the phone. Well, today we are going to talk about everyday English conversation. Simple English that you can use every single day. And trust me, learning English is not about using big words. It is about using small words with confidence. So, let's begin. You know, many people think English is difficult. But is it really difficult? I don't think so. Think about this. When you wake up in the morning, what do you say? Maybe, "Good morning." "How are you?" "What's for breakfast?" See, that is English conversation. English is everywhere in our daily life. For example, imagine you go to a shop. You can say, "Hello, how much is this?" "Can I buy this?" "Thank you." Simple, right? A lot of learners make one big mistake. They wait for the perfect time to speak. But there is no perfect time. If a baby waited to speak perfectly, imagine that. The baby would say, "Sorry, Mom, I need grammar first." That sounds funny, right? But many adults do that. They stop themselves because they are scared. Here is the truth. Mistakes are part of learning. Let me tell you a small story. There was a man named Jack from. He wanted to learn English fast. Every day, he spoke only 5 sentences in English. Just 5. At first, he made many mistakes. But after 6 months, he became very confident. Why? Because practice beats fear. This reminds me of when he first came to, his English was not perfect. But he kept speaking. And today, the whole world knows him. That is the power of practice. Now let me ask you, how can you improve daily English conversation? Number 1. Speak every day. Even if you are alone. Talk to yourself. For example, "I am making tea. I am going to the market. I feel happy today." This builds confidence. Number 2. Listen carefully. Watch English videos. Listen to podcasts. When you hear a sentence, repeat it. Like, "How was your day?" "My day was great." Easy. Number 3. Learn daily phrases. Not difficult grammar first. Learn useful phrases like, "What do you mean?" "Can you help me?" "I understand." "I don't know." These are powerful. And by the way, if you are enjoying this podcast, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me, what is the hardest part of learning English for you? Now, let's talk about real-life situations. Situation 1. Meeting a new person. You can say, "Hi, my name is Paul. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?" Very common. Situation 2. At a restaurant. "Can I see the menu?" "I'd like some tea. The food is delicious." Situation 3. On the phone. "Hello, who is speaking?" "Can I call you later?" "I am busy right now." See, these are everyday conversations. And here is something important. Do not translate too much in your mind. Think in English. Start small. For example, instead of thinking in your language and changing it into English, just think, "I am hungry. I need water. I want to sleep." Simple thoughts. Simple English. You know, once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." And I think this also fits English learning. If you enjoy it, you will improve faster. Make it fun. Talk with friends. Watch funny videos. Read short stories. And laugh sometimes. Because learning with stress is heavy. Learning with fun is light. Imagine this. You say, I am boring, but actually you mean, I am bored. Big difference. One means you feel bored. The other means, well, you make everyone sleepy. Laughs. English can be funny, but that is okay. That's how we learn. So remember, speak daily. Listen daily. Practice daily. Even 10 minutes a day can change your life. One day, your small practice will become big confidence. And one day, people will say, wow, your English is so good. And you will smile and say, thank you. I practiced every day. That day will come. Keep going. Keep learning. Keep believing. And if nobody believes in you, believe in yourself. Because every expert was once a beginner. Before I go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Below. Share this podcast with your friends who want to improve English. And remember, your English journey starts with one sentence. One word. One small step. Take that step today. See you in the next podcast. Bye.